I get asked quite often, especially with my office being just outside of Washington, D.C. in Northern Virginia, is if I owe the IRS money, could that hamper my ability to earn income if I am a government contractor? The answer is definitely yes. I have seen cases where contracts were not renewed, contracts were terminated, depending on the level of clearance needed with those contracts. Having a back tax debt can certainly hamper your security clearances. I've had clients who worked with agencies that had secret clearance within the government not be able to renew their clearance, in which case it severely hampered their ability to earn income. And in some cases, although be it rare, they were actually terminated because of the IRS debt and the inability to renew their top secret clearance. Most of the time, if you're trying to get your security clearance, trying to renew your security clearance, or trying to get a contract with the government, if you have actively or proactively resolved your problem with the IRS, and many times that's all they want to see. So, are you current with your taxes? And if not, have you worked out an agreement with the IRS to resolve the back tax issues? In most cases, if you have resolved or working to resolve the problem, you can get your security clearance renewed, issued, or in the case of a company licensed with the IRS, continue to get contracts with the federal government. If you're not resolving the tax debt, there is a real possibility that your contract will not be granted, you will lose your security clearance, or you may not be able to renew your security clearance. So with all cases like this, being proactive to resolve the tax debt is always preferable to waiting and hoping that it just goes away. You need to take action and resolve it before it's too late. Also, do not wait until the last minute. If you know you're coming up to renew your security clearance and your interview's coming up, don't wait till a week before to try to resolve the problem, because these things do take time and you don't want to show up to the top security clearance having to actually go on a lie detector and answer specific questions about your debts and have that come back poorly for you if you do in fact owe the IRS. So handle it as soon as possible so that when you go to renew that clearance, you're good to go.